What's up, everybody? Back out at the range. Today I'm going to do a little long range shooting. I got my Savage 110 caliber 270 and did some research on this gun. It was made back in 1985, which I thought was interesting because did the old paper test here, see if it's got a free floated barrel. Check this out. Man, who thought about having free floated barrels back in 1985 when this gun was originally made? So this is actually a redo. I tried to do a video a couple weeks ago. It was bad. So I might put some of that footage at the end of this one so y'all can laugh at me, make fun of me and all that good stuff. But today I got a steel target out here at 100 yards. It's a steel silhouette. IDPA official size is an 18 by 30 3/4 inch AR 500. This plate weighs 93 pounds. I did one video on an unboxing a while back, but today I'm finally going to shoot at it. There's a hole right in the middle of it. I'm going to aim for that. When I shot this gun before, I was using 130 grain bullets, but I only had the one box, but I got several boxes of these 150 grains. These are Winchester 270, of course, 150 grains. So kind of ballistics, it says 2850 with a muzzle energy of 2705. I was going to set the chronograph up for it, but I'm not really feeling it today. It's about to rain out here like it's been doing every day for like the last 2 or 3 weeks, so we're going to get to shooting here. And this gun has a muzzle brake on there. I like muzzle brakes and I like bipods, and it's got a butt pad on here that a family member I had sold it to a family member a couple years ago, and I just recently bought it back from him, and he put the muzzle brake on there and the butt pad, but I put the bipod on there because I like bipods on my guns, especially when it comes to shooting long range. So I'm going to get this camera set up. I'll do some shooting with the camera facing me, then I'll turn it towards the camera facing the target. So bear with me. Hopefully this one turns out halfway decent. And I better hurry up. It's about to start raining. Alright, put my eyes and ears on. I usually wear double ear protection when shooting stuff like this right here. More likely it's going to be off because it was shooting pretty off when I was shooting the 130s the other day or the other week. So here it goes. Ooh, it's got smooth action, that's for sure. Alright, let's see what we got. My glasses are fogging up, can't see nothing. Looks like it's about 8 inches low at the center. Let's take another shot. Well, that ain't too bad. It's right next to the other one. Alright, let's go up about, let's see here. Looks like it's about 8 inches low, so 4 inches per inch. So we go up. Went up about 24 clicks. Let's see what that does. Ooh, look at that action. See what we got. inches low. So we go up another 4, 8, 12, 16. Alright, went about 16 clicks. Let's see what that does. Ooh. I believe that hit right where I was aiming. Let's see if we can't do that again. That looks like that was about an inch high. So let me take a couple more. If it's still shooting high, I'll bring it down a couple inches, about an inch. Look at this action. It's like butter. Still shooting in the same area. Tell you what I'll do, I'll turn the camera around so y'all can look at it. I'm back, everybody. As you can tell, it's raining out here at the gun range. So they shut the gun range down, so I can't do no shooting right now. So I gotta wait. Hopefully this cloud will pass over here. We'll get back to shooting again. I went ahead and painted a target. Got it kind of pretty much sighted in. So if I do hunting with it, I won't be shooting at 100 yards anyway. Where my tree stand is going to be and the deer in the feeder is only about 50 yards. I may not even hunt with this gun at all, but I like to have it sighted in case I ever do need it. But yeah, just enjoying the rain right now. At least it's cooled off. It's not 1,000 degrees out here like it normally is. So, but one last look at this rain. Fun times, fun times. No target out there all by itself, but we'll get back after here in a few minutes, and we'll keep you informed. Be back in a second. All right, I'm back. Let's take a closer look at this gun here. We got a golden antler 3x9x40 made by Tasco, and it's a wide angle scope. Take a look at this muzzle brake here. I like it. It don't kick too bad, not at all. So yeah, get another look at it. All right, we're gonna set this up here, get it zoomed in on the target, get it centered up here. Like I said, I repainted it, so it's good to go there. If I can get this in the middle here. Get it zoomed in as far as it'll go. So I'm going to take 3 shots. Probably do like a headshot and a center mast and maybe a low shot to see if it's sighted in good enough. So, alright, so just bear with me 1 second here and we'll get going. Alright, here goes. Maybe you can see that hole, well, probably right in the middle, but it's right there where the chest would be. We'll take a shot there. And it's off to the left a little bit. Let's take a little more, see if how that does. We'll go center mass this time. It's hard to tell. What if I hit where I hit that last bullet at? So we'll go a little lower this time. Pretty much hit where I was aiming. So, alright. Well, that's my Savage 270. model 110. So, let me zoom back out. So there we go. That's my Savage model 110 caliber 270. Hit pretty much where I was aiming after I got it sighted in. It's good enough for what I need. You know, I'm not a sniper or anything like that. I just want to be able to go hunting with it. Alright, well, until next time, everybody be safe, and God bless you. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me zoom in on it. The round circle one is my target, and the one to the left of it is the one at the place here. That's the one I was hitting with the 130 grain. So let me... Alright, I can't get my camera quite set up where I want it. So we're just going to do this here. I'll tell you what. We'll just turn the camera around. See what we got now. Sorry people, I didn't use my camcorder today. I got my phone out. Alright. Obviously that's not working, so I don't know if I'm going to use this video or just make another one. So let's see if I could do something different here. Alright. Well, we just shoot these 130s up, then we'll worry about sighting it in with the 150s later on. Pretty smooth action, I think. Alright, let's try this again. Something like the sound of ringing steel, right? I rushed that shot. Alright, let's take a little look here. I guess it wasn't zoomed in all the way. Oh well. This is what we're going to do. I'm going to load her up again, and we're just going to work the action and see how smooth it is. Alright. There we go. Hopefully that'll be good right there. Alright, this is going to finish it off. I'll go ahead and load it up with like 4 or 5 rounds. And we just shoot them. Got a good bipowder here that swivels, so. All right. Technical difficulties, right? All right. I'm not good at long range shooting. Got it that time. Got it that time. Yeah, it's shooting way off. I'm aiming probably 6-7 inches above center. Because it's a 12-inch target. Look at that. Alright. It's pretty smooth shooter. Just got a cheap Tasco scope on there. But you know, this is a good old hunting rifle. I've had it for 10 years. And if you could look on the target here, got it zoomed in. And you're not gonna be able to see it. It was shooting kind of down to the right about 5 o'clock. All the shots, at least they were consistent. Just gotta get some paper and shoot it on paper, and we'll get it sighted in that way. All right, so I'm gonna sign off on this video. It's probably gonna be long and boring, and wasted a bunch of ammo for nothing. But that's just the way it goes when trying to sight in a gun. All right, everybody. Y'all have a good day, and God bless you.